So I think it's time to jump into the content right away because the price, as expected, is showing some weakness, and the weakness could bring the price of Bitcoin to test some of the key line of support before continuing with this actual bullish move. Yes guys, on our previous video we talked about so many different examples, so many different scenarios pointing us that in the medium short term price of Bitcoin might show weakness, get attracted towards this key line of support before continuing with this uptrend. And if you look at it right now, yes, we are holding some of the most important support for Bitcoin. Support from this Williams alligator indicator, which is still looking very bullish. I mean, whenever we see this green line appearing at the top, blue line at the bottom, it is a sign of strength. It is also a sign that the price of Bitcoin is in an uptrend, and now the same line here is going to be acting as support in case of retracement. Yes guys, the top, central and the bottom Williams alligator indicator will be acting as support for Bitcoin, which sits above 90,000. Yes guys, even if the price in the medium short term shows weakness, we have a very strong support lying above 90,000 before expecting another continuation like this, because beside this support, beside the support from this Williams alligator indicator, we also have the support from this basis line from this Bollinger band. Yes guys, according to this Bollinger band, you can see the upper trend line got broken, which resulted in a bullish move, and now any sort of a pullback, this basis line or the central line will be acting as support for Bitcoin. And this Bollinger band, the top and central Bollinger band, sorry, the top and the bottom Bollinger band looks like about to form a squeeze, and we know squeeze in Bollinger band suggests incoming volatility. Yes guys, that's why I strongly believe the price of Bitcoin here could be preparing itself for another continuation, which could bring the price of Bitcoin to make a new all-time high. Yes, after the squeeze in Bollinger band, which is happening right now, I strongly believe Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin, after this squeeze in Bollinger band, Bitcoin has a very high probability of breaking here to the upside, because we have been very clear, since this here is an ascending CPI which only gets formed during uptrend. I mean, this trend line here, top, central and the bottom CPI line, these are our CPI trend lines, and this CPI trend lines is higher than the previous month CPI. I mean, ascending CPI only gets formed during uptrend, and you can see guys, when the price of Bitcoin started with this bullish move, even this CPI line started forming a steps like formation. I mean, higher highs, right? And this also indicates the trend is bullish. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that since this here is a continuation pattern, higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern, first there is a very high probability of price coming back to test this key trend line, either top, central or the bottom CPI line, and only after that continue with this actual bullish move, because this is an ascending CPI, and according to ascending CPI, you can see our first target sits around 108,000, second target sits around 120,000, and the no-brainer price target sits around 140,000. Yes guys, for the month of December, this here, the R3 line is our no-brainer price target, but we will be more than happy if the price could simply test the monthly R1 line, because testing the monthly R1 line means the month of January will be favoring the long. So that's why guys, that's why in more than 90% of cases before continuing with this bullish move, Bitcoin has tested the support from the CPI trend line, and only after that continued with this uptrend. So that's why first there could be a retest around the CPI trend line, which will be looked as a support for Bitcoin before starting with this uptrend, because we know this here, the POC line, this POC line is a point of control according to this volume profile, and this POC line showcases an asset price point where the most trading activity has occurred over the season. So that's why in our case this red line is considered very important, which is around 91,000, because in the past price action you can see exactly after reaching around that area we had this very nice relief rally. So same trend line acted as resistance. What I'm trying to pinpoint here is that before continuing with this uptrend, even if the price starts showing weakness in this manner, come back to retest this support line, then it is going to be a great buying opportunity. I mean, above 91,000, you can see we have very strong support lining for Bitcoin. So any sort of a pullback around that area could be giving us a buying opportunity, and price after that is expected to continue in this manner, because we are aware this formation here. I mean, if the price, instead of a breakdown like this, starts with an impulsive move, what in that case, what if the price of Bitcoin, instead of this corrective move, starts with a bullish move like this? Doesn't matter. Even if the price in the medium short term starts showing bullish move, our price objective is going to be around 99,000, which is very normal, but we have to overcome the resistance from this blue rising trend line. Yes, guys, this rising trend line in the past price action acted as a very, very strong line of support. The same line got retested, you can see, which acted as resistance. So if we want to continue with an actual parabolic move like this, right, first we have to overcome the resistance from this rising trend line, which sits around 99,000. So that's why for us it's very, very important that we break out of this 99,000 if you want to invalidate this fake out. Otherwise, even this bullish continuation pattern for now will have to wait. Yes, guys, symmetrical triangle during uptrend, you can see, is a bullish continuation pattern. But in our case, before we start with a breakout, first we might see a move like this. Bitcoin with a fake out, liquidating the over leverage longs, and only after that starting with this bullish move. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that any sort of a pullback price remaining above 90,000 is still considered bullish, because in a bigger picture this bullish move has not ended. Right now, according to this Elliott wave theory, we are on our way to form this impulsive wave 5. So that's why you can see, since this price target is still open around 110, 120,000, the price objective from this descending broadening wedge in a weekly time frame is open around 110, 120,000, and even this cup and handle pattern, another bullish continuation pattern, 110, 120,000. So unless we see this price movement around 110, 120,000 in a bigger picture, we are going to remain bullish, and any sort of a pullback will be looked as a temporary pullback before breaking it to the upside. So looking into different time frame, looking into different scenarios, Bitcoin still looks very, very bullish. Yes, guys, we are expecting the price after some fake out to start with this actual impulsive move to form a new all-time high. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please, guys, do not hesitate to destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed the free bonuses available for our community members in the description down below, then please check it out, because these events are temporary. And if you are an experienced trader who want to take advantage of this market volatility and trade with free money, then definitely check it out. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.